Hello, today we are going to talk about Aditya Birla Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Aditya Birla Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 2 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year at the time of maturity. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 5 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 17% to 20% if DSCR is more than 1 to 15.75% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 3% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 3 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence. One should be owned within lending branch location. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Aditya Birla Business Loan Corp-based product for professionals. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are both side rented, school, advocates, share traders, gym, liquor business, travel, real estate, spa. Specific product for professionals MBBS and MD 50 lakh, ROI 14% 16%. Corp base, chartered accountant 50 lakh, ROI 15% to 17%, corp base. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3 year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.